I'll be sharing my brand new BÉIS Large Toiletry Bag. I picked it up for a trip. Everything that I feel I need for my toiletry bag is in this large bag. As you can see, it's busting at the seams. If you're curious what fits in this BÉIS Large Toiletry Bag, then just keep watching. Okay, guys, so this is the size large. I have been such a fan of BÉIS in the past. We're going on a decent size trip pretty soon, and so I thought now is a good time to pick it up. And I recently picked this up from Nordstrom, and I thought, let me go ahead and pack it for everything I would need on a trip, and I can share with you guys in case you're also interested. I automatically love the organization on this bad boy. Packing it up was quite the joy. I feel like packing for any trip can sometimes be quite strenuous, but this made it so much better with everything in its place. Easy to see at first glance. You open it and you see everything you need. It's within your reach. It's not a dig to the bottom of the bag kind of toiletry case, which I'm here for. So let's quickly go through all the things. I feel like when I'm on vacation, I'll pack a little bit more self-care items, meaning let's start back here with the zipper. I'll have things like a shower cap. This is just nice on days where I've already washed my hair, but I just need to take a quick shower, or I just want to rinse off from the pool and I don't want to rewash my hair because I don't usually get my hair wet when I swim. So it's nice to have this little cutie while you're on vacation. You don't always want to spend extra time washing your hair if it's not necessary. And then I also brought this relaxing Zen mask. It's self-heating, which I'm not sure how that works. I'm not mad about it. I'm not questioning it. I'm just enjoying it. But you just open up the mask, you put it on your eyes, and it warms up on its own. It's so soothing and relaxing, and I love these things. I don't think I'll ever fly again without having this in my carry-on. They're just so relaxing, especially because I have anxiety and I don't love to fly. You add the two together, you need all the Zen you can get. So this is a really nice one to have. It's also nice when you're, for example, at Disney World, relaxing in your hotel, your kids are watching, a Disney movie or something, and you just want to relax for a few minutes. This is really soothing. It's also nice right before bed to put this on, close your eyes. It kind of helps relax you and calm you and unwind from a day before you turn off the light and go to sleep. It's really lovely. Another thing I really enjoy taking with me are these face masks, a little bit of hyaluronic acid. I can always use some hydration if I'm gonna fly. I feel like planes really dehydrate me, so a nice face mask is so soothing and relaxing. What I'll do is I'll put this on before bed, and then I'll go ahead and massage the residual, waking up feeling super hydrated, refreshed, have a nice base for my foundation to go on to seamlessly. So really love having these face masks, and we are going to be gone close to 10 days. So I brought two because it's vacation and it's go, go, go. I mean, I'm not saying there's a ton of downtime, but there usually is more than I always plan for. So it's nice to have these extra things. Now, these jet lag eye patches are next level fantastic. I highly recommend them. They're very hydrating for under the eye area. They kind of help when you're on vacation. You feel and look a little bit tired from all the running around, all the excitement. The FOMO is a real thing when we're on vacation, and so we kind of push the envelope when it comes to late nights, doing all the things, making sure we get every dime out of our vacation and all the memories as well. And so having these under eye patches is next level fantastic. They're super hydrating. They make your makeup glide on so much nicer. Your under eye area is not puffy or crepey. These are really nice when you fly as well. Same reason. It's just very hydrating. My skin gets really dehydrated quickly. I get super thirsty when I travel. I mean, the air is just so drying in a plane. So these are nice to have and use even if you're on the plane for a couple hours. This is really nice. You get to your destination and your face feels so refreshed and hydrated. So what else is in here are these little Sublime Bronze by L'Oreal. My friend told me about these a few years ago, and I've been buying them ever since, and they are so good. So basically all you do is you just take out this little cloth. It already has the product on it. Little reminder to wash your hands well afterwards. You do not want stained hands, but you're just going to take this large towelette is what it looks like, and you're going to wipe your face with it, down your neck, your décolleté area, and it just gives you the most natural looking tan. I never tan my face. My dermatologist was adamant that I always wear sunscreen. I keep my face out of the sun. And so to prevent premature, wrinkles and age lines and sunspots, I stay out of the sun. So my face is always more pale than the rest of my body. And so this just kind of helps even out everything. So then my neck is now matching the rest of my body. I like for my face to look a little bit tan, but of course I don't want the sun damage. This is really nice. It blends well. It really is really easy. So what I'll do is I'll shower and I'll just wipe my face and my neck really well. It dries pretty quickly, and then I go to bed. I wake up the next day and I have a very nice natural looking tan. And so I'm a huge fan of these. I highly recommend them. I always want to have these on vacation. I want to look like I've been toasting in the sun. I don't want the side effects of being toasty in the sun, but I want to look like I'm, tanning. I'm enjoying the sun, and I am, but just at a safe distance with my sunscreen firmly intact, but I want to look like I am a sun goddess. And so these are really, really good, you guys. Another thing I carry with me in my toiletry bag are my everyday contacts. Now, I started doing everyday contacts a couple years ago. I'll never go back. I had so many issues with allergens getting under my contacts, scratching my eyes. Reusing contacts just was not ideal because they just can get so full of germs and allergens, and so it was a constant struggle for me. My eyes were always red. I was always having to wash my contacts. Having everyday ones lessens the bacteria that's on your eye. In that situation, I always carry extra contacts with me. But there's all these little places. There's little netting spots. There's little individual little slots for, your toothbrush, your shaver, obviously. So let me share that I have my shaver with me. And then in this little pocket, I have for your lips. This is a really nice, nourishing, hydrating lip product. I enjoyed this. I put this on every night before bed, waking up with really smooth, fantastic lips. Sort of dehydration. It's just really, really nice. I enjoy this right before bed. I also really enjoyed this. This is the Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. It's so cooling and refreshing. You just do a few clicks here. Out comes the product, and you just wipe it. I'm going to do it now because I hate wasting anything. You just put it under your eye. It's so cooling, and it's just so refreshing, especially on hot summer nights. This is so cooling and refreshing. And you wake up to really nice under eyes. You just kind of blend it in. I love this stuff. It's a really good product. Next I have these. Now I got these in a Sephora order as I want to say I used up some points from Sephora and got these little cuties, which are great for travel. I hate to buy travel anything. I like to use what I have. Sometimes I'll put it in a different container, to make it smaller. Or I'll use minis that come in a set possibly, or, like this was a really good idea to use these as my travel products. And I can always refill these little bottles, which is super ideal for travel. Now I will say we are going to Disney World, and Disney World has, bath gel, shampoo, and conditioner in their Disney hotel. So you don't really need this, but I need a little TLC with humidity in Florida. And so this is really good for my hair for hydration, to help with the anti-frizzing. And so I always take shampoo when I go to Florida. It's usually this Moroccan oil. It really does tame my hair from the frizz, and it's worth carrying it with me. I will usually use the shower gel that's in the bathrooms there, but this I do take. All right, so there's some extra little pockets here where I have some eye drops. These are the Lumify individual eye drops. These are so good to have. They take the red out of your eyes if you do have allergies like I do. If your eyes are tired or irritated from a late night out, these are ideal to have. So next, of course, I can't go anywhere without skin sunscreen. I do try to take care of my skin and my children's skin. My husband's a little bit more, I don't need that stuff, and then he regrets it when he's burnt to a crisp later, but he's gotten better about applying it as well. But the Coolit is my favorite sunscreen, 70% organic ingredients, which I'm really here for. My kids have never burnt with this. And then this is really nice. This is the one for your face, and it absorbs nicely. It's not oily or greasy. So won't leave home with either one of these, especially on a vacation where we're in the sun all the time, and especially the Florida sun. It's next level intense. You're going to want to keep your sunscreen close by. Next, I have these Berkeley Jensen. These are from BJ's. I've used all different kinds of makeup removing wipes. I feel like they, a lot of times, are all really good. Just, I'll usually try to get whatever's on sale, or sometimes, they'll have a sale and I'll grab these. So I do have a pack of these. I feel like when you're on vacation, the less amount of time you spend on, self-care, the better, because we're just go, go, go. But I still want to look nice and put together and take care of my skin. So it's all about the balance of getting things done quickly, but still taking care of yourself. These are really nice at night to just kind of clean your face off from the bulk of your makeup. And then what I will do, I have these really nice little face wipes. So all you do, and these are just makeup remover wipes as well. But this is your next level deep clean. So I'll take the makeup off with a wipe just to get the bulk off, and then you just wet it and it suds up. These are the Olay face washes, and you just suds it up, wash your face, and you have a nice clean slate for your moisturizer, your serums, what have you. So deodorants, I usually do not use the clinical on the day-to-day. I'll use a more natural one without any sort of aluminum in it. But this is an antiperspirant because it is Florida, because we will be sweating, because we will be in close quarters with other people. I will be using the clinical, and as I said, I use this when you need the big guns. You don't want to stink on vacation. You don't want to be at the dinner table and, the host or hostess just pass out next to you. So always take this on vacation with me. My tretinoin cream, this is my prescription retinol, and I put just a drop of this on at night before bed, along with my moisturizer. And this is the moisturizer that I'm taking with me. Normally, when I'm home, I will use the Caudalie. This is my favorite. It's really hydrating, and I do have dry skin, but I need something smaller, more compact, and this one's a really good one. I've tried it a number of times. I ended up getting this with my Sephora points, and I love being able to use up these items. I hate to waste anything. I don't like to purchase travel items specifically for travel, so I like to use these products when I go on vacation. I'm excited to do that. The Innisfree is the green tea hyaluronic cream, and it's just a really nice face cream that I put under my makeup. I put on at night before bed after I do my retinol, and then I'm good to go for a nice sleep. So what I'll usually do is I'll do my retinol first, my serum second. This is the Lancome Genifique. It's a really good one. I picked this one up during the Nordstrom anniversary sale to save myself some cash. This is not cheap. I think I saved $100 by buying it on the sale. And then after the serum kind of seeps in a little bit, I give it time to dry, and then I'll just moisturize my face so I can wake up to a nice, nourished, and refreshed face. Next, I do have a Hydration Plus for contacts. Now, even though I use the dailies, sometimes I will, before I even leave the room, I'll get a smudge on my contact from my makeup. I'll accidentally stab myself with the mascara wand, and I will wash it. I don't like to waste contacts just by replacing it because I got something on it. So I will use this to wash my contacts. Also, when I take them out of the packet, I will put a few drops on and stick it in my eye just to keep everything moisturized. So I do always take a little bottle. This was something that came in a large bottle that I had. It was kind of like an additional mini travel, so I'm excited to be able to use this up. And then I have my On Till Dawn mattifying face waterproof setting spray. This is going to be so nice for the Florida humidity and heat, so I'm excited to have this with me. Another thing I'm a huge fan of, like I said, I love the Summer Fridays hyaluronic acid eye patches. This is a jet lag skin soothing hydration mist. This refresh your makeup throughout the day, especially if you're in hot, high humidity environments. It's just very soothing, relaxing. It kind of just makes you feel humid again after you've a wilted flower for a while. So I'm a fan of this. I don't think I'll ever fly without it again. It really does just hydrate the skin. You're traveling on a long flight, spraying this every hour or so during the flight just kind of keeps your face feeling moisturized and not dried out. I love this stuff, and it's become an everyday carry for me. It's just so refreshing and nice, and so I really enjoy it. It's also very soothing and calming to my skin, so I'm a fan. You won't regret it if you would decide to get it. It's really nice. So some other things, as I said, it's very nice, all the different pouches and things. I do have a really good hair clip, and that's just to keep my hair out of my face while I do my skincare or wash my face. And then I always carry a beauty blender with me. I also carry makeup brushes for all that, but I always carry a sponge with me, and I do not like to set a sponge on a bathroom counter. Having this little protector is ideal for travel. Love that it fits in here seamlessly. And let's just kind of go to this side. So here we have it. Now, I normally will just take this, which I also came with a full size. This was kind of like, I love sets because you buy the full size for home and then you have this to either put in your purse or to take on vacation without purchasing a separate travel item. So this is really, really good. We are going to be there a while, and to tell you the truth, my husband and I usually end up sharing this. This is going to last like 2 days. So I did have these left over from my purse. I like to keep these in my handbag for occasional, and these are easily, large enough that I can share with my hubby. And so even though it says single use, I usually use half a packet and give the other half to my husband in the morning after we brush our teeth for the day, just to kind of kill any germs. And so I'm taking both of these. I'm sure we'll use this up. I am going to keep the bottle so I can bring it home and refill it, and then we'll use these the rest of the time. So I also have to have my hairbrush, of course. This is a wet brush, and you got to have a hairbrush. And then what else? Okay, so in this pouch, and that's everything that does fit inside, and I love, love, love the organization, all the little pouches. I mean, it's just a really good bag. I can see why BÉIS is so well loved in the travel community for anything travel. It's just well thought out for clearly someone who travels. But they also throw this cute little pouch in. And I am so here for this because who wants your toothbrush touching anything in your bag? I love that it's all here. So what I did have in here is my toothpaste, my toothbrush, and then I have this little Reach Cutie and then a bunch of these little flossers. So what I love about this is you just, look at this, it's genius. You just click these on and you floss. And then when you're done, you pop them off, throw the flosser away, and then the next day you replace it with a new one. And it's just genius, you guys. It is so genius. There you have it. So there were so many things that fit in here. I'm gonna have to put everything back for our trip coming up. I'm excited for our trip. I'm excited to be able to use my new bag on this trip. It just, like I said, when you open it up, it's all organized. You can see everything. You don't have to dig through to find things. I mean, when you're on vacation, you need to grab, take care of things, and go. You don't want to miss a minute of your vacation. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and leave me a comment down below. Tell me what's your favorite travel bag. Let me know if I missed something that I should be taking in my travel bag that you highly recommend and know will make my travel so much more convenient. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you in my next video. Happy travel, friends!